Transform your garage storage with the Auxx-Lift, the leader in motorized garage storage lifts. Capable of lifting up to 600 pounds and tested to UL standards, it features automatic stopping and an industrial-strength design, ensuring safety and durability. Unlike similar products, our lift is safety tested and built to last. Enjoy easy, remote-controlled access to your stored items, avoiding the need for lifting or ladders. Installation is simple, suitable for joists, rafters, and even vaulted ceilings, and includes all necessary hardware and detailed instructions. Built in the USA with steel aircraft cables, the Auxx-Lift ensures secure storage, making it one of the best garage storage lifts on the market. With over 11,000 satisfied customers, Auxx-Lift has been the #1 choice for residential and industrial customers. The platform bumpers and programmable stopping points prevent items from hitting the ceiling or floor. As a family-owned business, we provide innovative, safe, and strong garage storage lifts designed to last. We also offer installation. Choose Auxx-Lift for the ultimate in garage storage. Call us for any questions at 805-862-8271.